I could bet all of the riches that I ever had. Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to preface this video in saying that when I filmed this video, I was a little bit under the weather, so my face is a little bit puffy. Also, my voice was raspy, which is why there were no videos last week, because I just didn't want you to listen to my raspy voice. But now I am feeling better, so now I can do more videos. So as always, I'm going to start this style. I'm freshly washed hair and I'm separating my hair into quadrants. As I'm separating my hair into quadrants, I'm just making sure that my parts are nice and clean. This is very important because you want to make sure that your hair does not snag in between the parts. Also because you just want this style to be an overall clean look. So as I'm parting my hair for the front section and back, I'm just making sure that the part goes nice and clean all the way around. And now that my hair is separated into quadrants, I can start the styling process. And because my hair is very thick and dense, sometimes I do have to separate each quadrant into two subsections of hair just to make the styling process a lot easier. So first I am going to separate it, of course, and then take my mister bottle that's filled with just water and spray a liberal amount on my hair. And you can see how well my curls are clumping together. Now I'm going to take in my leave-in conditioner, which is from As I Am, and I really love this leave-in because it has a really nice consistency. It's not too thick, but it's not liquidy either, and it has good slip. I just wanted to spray a little bit more moisture because look how well my curls are clumping together. This is a great sign that moisture is being added. Now I'm going to seal that moisture in with some sweet almond oil, one of my favorite oils, just because it is not heavy. It's not going to weigh my hair down, but it definitely helps to seal that moisture in. And because I know I'm going to wear this style for a while, I want to make sure that I do have a lot of moisture in my hair. Now I'm going to add this cream from Comet Biology, and I do like it. It's a little bit on the heavier side, but of course, like I said, I am going to be wearing my hair like this for at least a week and a half to 2 weeks. So I do need products that are going to last and just keep my hair nice and moisturized. And of course, throughout the weeks of wearing the style, I am going to add some more moisture. I'm going to spray my hair with water and then add some oil on top. I do not want my hair drying out. I am not going to neglect my hair while my hair is being in this protective style. I'm just going to continue doing the same exact process on the rest of my hair, applying a lot of water, then my leave-in conditioner, my oil, sweet almond oil, and then adding this cream from Comet Biology. Again, I really need a lot of moisture in my hair as I'm styling it because moving forward throughout the days, I just want to make sure that my hair is set for success. I want to make sure that moisture is in my hair starting the styling process. After I've applied all the products to both subsections of hair, I'm just going to twist both of them up and then clip it out of the way and continue the process on the rest of my hair. But in the front section, I'm not going to apply a lot of products. I'm going to be very light-handed just because I find that braiding my hair is a lot better this way. I can really grasp my hair better. And now I'm just going to unravel both twists in the back, and look how moisturized my hair is. This is exactly why I love layering the products on my hair in this way. So I'm just going to turn around so you could see exactly what I'm doing. I'm creating a row with my favorite Rattail Comb. So I really love this, as many of you know, to help smooth the products in my hair, but I also love it to part my hair. It just really comes in handy to do this. And I'm also going to apply the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter just to help with moisture retention and also help me to braid my hair. Now I already have a video on how to braid, so I will link that below in the description box, and you could definitely check it out if you'd like to. But this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to be braiding the whole back section of my hair. I'm going to braid my hair all the way down until I can't anymore, and then I'm going to take this blue Wetline Extreme Gel and apply it to the ends of my hair and just twirl the ends around my finger to make a curl. So I really love doing this, and this is my way of keeping my braids secure. And again, I'm just taking a small amount of gel, applying it to the ends of my hair and then twirling the ends around my finger just to make sure that the braids do stay nice and secure. And I'm going to continue doing the same process over and over and over again. And the size of the braids are totally up to you. I just wanted to braid my hair small because I found that when I do twist my hair in smaller sections or braid my hair in smaller sections, that the style looks a lot fresher and cleaner a lot longer. And because I'm aiming for 2 weeks with this style, I just wanted it to look nice and fresh. And also, I did a lot of sponsored content and I was not pre-pooing my hair for this, so I wanted to make sure I just kind of gave my hair a break. So 2 weeks it is. My hair has been like this for at least a week and a half now, so almost 2 weeks. My hair still looks really good. I'm still getting compliments and we are almost at 2 weeks. I really know that braiding my hair in these small sections definitely helps with the longevity. And I also wanted to mention that I am braiding my hair nice and snug. And as I always like to say, I am doing my hair with purpose. I'm braiding my hair with purpose. So anytime that you do your hair, make sure that you do it with purpose. No matter if you're doing a perm rod out, flexi rod out, you're twisting your hair, flat twist, twist out, any style that you do, you want to make sure that you are doing it really nicely, that you're not just rushing it or you're just half-stepping. You want to make sure that you really spend that time to braid your hair right, you twist your hair good, you put your hair on the curler right. Any style you do, like I said, make sure that you do spend the time to do it right, because it will definitely show in the long run if you just rushed it. And I've done enough talking, so I'm just going to let you watch me braid my hair. And another tip I wanted to add is I like to smooth my hair as I am braiding my hair. So anytime where I feel that my hair is just not as smooth as I wanted to, I'm just going to take that same Rattail comb and just comb my hair, just making sure that my hair stays nice and smooth from the roots all the way down to the ends. Alright, finally the whole back section is completely braided and it took me about an hour to do. And now to the front of my hair, I'm just going to unravel the twist, and my hair is still moisturized, it's just not as damp. And I'm going to use this Rattail comb. I really like it, but it's just not like my favorite Rattail comb. It gives me really nice clean parts. I really love the precision, which is why I'm using it, because I really need those clean parts, just like this. It may take some time, but it's definitely doable. Now I'm going to take this edge booster, which is an edge control gel, and just apply it to my roots. And I'm going to smooth it in with my favorite Rattail Comb, and this is just going to create a really nice clean cornrow. I really want this style to be nice and neat. Now I'm just going to cornrow my hair. Now for me, cornrolling comes quite easy, and as I said so many times before in my other videos, I have been doing my hair since I was 6 years old. So doing my hair, it comes pretty natural to me, but I do understand that for some of you it does take some effort and time and of course practice, like anything else you're new at or just getting familiar with. So I would definitely recommend for you to practice styling your hair, whether it's braiding, twisting, cornrolling. You just want to get better at it, and each time you do practice, you should definitely get better at doing it. So just practice at cornrolling your hair, and I will definitely have a video coming very soon. But all I do is braid my hair. It starts off just like a braid, and I just continue to grab little small pieces of hair and continue to add it in the braid as I am going down, and making sure that I'm keeping my hands close to the roots because I want my cornrows to be nice and flat on my roots. I do not want it lifting whatsoever. And then when I run out of hair to grab, I am going to put a little bit more of the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter on my hair, and then I'm going to comb it in with the favorite Rattail Comb, and then continue braiding down the length of my hair. And as I get to the end, I am going to put some of that gel on, and then I'm going to twirl my finger around the ends of my hair just so I can make sure that the braid stays nice and secure. And I'm going to continue to part my hair, making sure that the parts are nice and clean, especially in the front, because this is going to be very visible, whereas in the back the braids can get a little bit staggered to where you can't see the parts, so it's not really important. But definitely the front, you want your parts to be nice and clean. And then I'm going to add my edge control to my roots, and I'm either going to brush it in or comb it in. I want to make sure that it's nice and smooth, because when I do cornrow my hair, I want to make sure that my cornrow looks really nice and clean, and it is going to last. Like I said, my hair has been lasting almost 2 weeks now, and it's because I do apply the edge control to the roots of my hair, and I make sure that I do smooth it in with a brush or a comb. And because I had more hair in this section, I did use a wide tooth comb just to make sure that this section was tangle free. But I'm telling you, add some edge control to your roots if you want that really clean, sleek look. Otherwise, you can just use the cream. You don't have to use the edge control. I just find that this really helps with the longevity of my hairstyles. Alright, I completed half of my hair with the cornrows. Now to do the other half. And finally, I am all done. I was so happy when I finished the last cornrow because this style took me 2 hours to do. I was just really happy, relieved. Now I can go to sleep. I was so happy. So I'm going to take this Jane Carter's Solution Wrap and Roll Foam and pump about 11 pumps on the front section of my hair. This is just really going to help lay down my hair, make sure it's nice and flat and just clean. It's going to look so good. I just love using foams for this reason. And I'm going to take my satin scarf. I really love this scarf. I got it from Target. Many of you have asked. I always link my products down below in the description box, so make sure you always check it out. Now my hair is going to look so good in the morning. So about 8 hours later, here is how my hair looks. It looks so good, nice and clean, and I'm just loving how the style turned out. I just love how my hair looks in braids, and of course, as I've already mentioned, I can really give my hair a nice break because I've been doing so many sponsored content and I did not pre-poo my hair, which many of you know I love doing. It really helps with the overall moisture of my hair. Now I'm going to use this jojoba oil from Soapbox Soaps, and I really love how it looks on my hair and how it sprays out. It has a really nice consistency and it gives me that extra moisture and shine that I want. I really hope that you enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed creating it. Of course, this is inspired by Alissa Ashley and her hairstyle, but I just love the way that it turned out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.